No video in 2 months? Why is her hair short? I don't know. We're gonna find out. Hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl Margot here, back again with another video, and today, well, it's been a minute since I posted the last video. I think it was like 2 months ago, probably. I will link it somewhere on the screen if you have not seen it yet. It's a pretty cool one. I'm adopted, so in the last video I took an ancestry test, so you can go check that out somewhere on the screen. Lots happened in the last couple months. Actually, I filmed the last video even longer than that, so I probably haven't really posted a video in like at least 6 months. I know, I'm terrible, it's fine. If you haven't noticed anything new about me, for those of you who don't know me, you're probably like, what the hell, like this isn't anything different, this is fine, this is normal, that's cool, you got a haircut. For those of you who do know me and are watching this, you know that I don't cut my hair this short. I have never cut my hair this short. I probably cut it just a little bit longer than this. I just was tired of it. I said, I'm done. I said I need a change. I think the pandemic kind of got to my head a little bit, and I was just like, nope, not doing it, lopping it off, goodbye. Yeah, so I didn't really get to leave campus much this semester, so once Lucus and I were fully vaccinated, that happened. Fully vaccination. Hurt like a crap ton, but that's fine. It's totally fine. It actually wasn't, I mean, it was horrible, but it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Definitely get vaccinated if you have not already. We got vaccinated and we went actually up to his house, and his mom used to be she used to do professional hair styling, and she used to be I guess as a barber? Is that what it's called? Barber? Anyway, she used to cut hair before she changed professions mid-pandemic, and so she had offered a while ago to cut my hair, and I said, I'm gonna take you up on that. So she cut it and she styled it, and it looks amazing, so thank you for that. Yeah, and I wound up not posting much during the pandemic. Well, at the beginning of the pandemic I did because I was home, but once school started up again, I mean, if any of you out there have learning disabilities, you know how hard it can be to focus on school and also juggle other things on the side, so I wound up just kind of putting YouTube away for a little while, just focusing on school, and it paid off because I got really good grades this semester. My goal was to get straight B's, and I accomplished that, plus 2 A's, so I'm pretty proud of myself for that. And that was a lot of fun. I got good grades. I wound up, we wound up having this, I wound up having my 2-year anniversary with Lucus, love you. So we celebrated. We also, my school put on a prom for people who were not able to go to prom last year due to the pandemic. And also just for people who, didn't go to prom the first time around, and wound up wanting to go the second time, so this was for them. So me and a bunch of my friends and Lucas went. It was a lot of fun, we had a great time. I'll insert pictures somewhere, or you can check out my Instagram, which I will link for you guys to go see what that looked like. Yeah, so I got good grades. I had an awesome semester despite the pandemic, despite everything that happened, and taking enough credits to the point where I will be graduating early in December of next year. So instead of graduating in May, I'm not going to do the trimester thing. I'm just doing 1 semester, finishing up with my thesis, and I'll be all done. And because of all that, my parents and I decided to get me a car. That was fun. I have a car now. I'll probably insert pictures somewhere. Yeah, I just never really wanted one. I never had a need for one because I walked everywhere. But with graduation coming up and with possible job prospects coming up and the fact that I'm probably going to need to go visit Lucus at school, we just decided that it would be a lot easier for me to have my own mode of travel other than walking and biking everywhere. So we got me a car. I was originally going to go with the Toyota Prius, but because of the car shortage with the chips, they only had a very limited stock in certain cars. So I wound up going with the Toyota Corolla, which I absolutely love, especially for anyone with ADHD. You know how distracting it can be to have a lot going on. This is not sponsored, by the way. I just like this car so much because it cuts down on the distractions, and there's actually a feature in the front of the car that it tells you how much, like, what your speed is, so that you don't have to calculate it in your head, which is super helpful because I'm always like stressed out, like staring at the thing, trying to figure it out, and then I look up and then I'm about to crash and it's like, oh my god, no. So anyway, that's stressful. This car fixes it, and I absolutely adore it. I love it so much. What else? Oh, Desi. Desi is good. Desi is now 7 months old. He currently has a fungal infection in his ear. Don't know how that happened. He is too cute, guys. He's too cute. And we have an Instagram for him, which I will link on the screen, so that you can stay updated on all of Desi's adventures. Now that I'm home, hopefully we can get him out more and take him for drives. Everything's gonna be good, and we can actually start training him. I need to leash he pulls a lot on the leash, so I need to train him not to, and train him to do a bunch of other stuff, like come when we ask him to. I mean, he's pretty good about it, but he's still a puppy, so sometimes, you know, sometimes you have those days where he just doesn't want to listen, and that's fine. So I think that's it. I think that's pretty much it. Allergies have been terrible. I don't know if anybody else is experiencing that, but like as I'm sitting here, I'm like trying not to sneeze because Jesus, okay. Anyway, yeah, that's been my life over the last couple months, and thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and yeah, be sure to like and subscribe if you're new here, and if not, then keep watching. Thank you so much. It means the world, and honestly, it just like feels good knowing that people are liking the content. Thank you guys for liking and subscribing and commenting, and hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!